Menta ke janmit, haka review meeting isim ro ya karai, haka biadai bat ka proposal ka bawarna na kaliang jong ka agriculture department. Kata kalong na kaliang jong ka agriculture department kila dep one inspection, kila dep identify ya ki katu kan nitli ki jaka ban pelong kum ka wholesale bat ro ka retail market. Kat kum ke jing penbet jong ka agriculture department ban nakaliang jong sarkar ngila approve laning la pediang ya kani ka proposal ka benengkong ngiong ka Sanmer Farmers Market ka baar ka Newmer Farmers Market hapo ding pun kawaipat ka mau kasiang football field, kawaipat ka ur kaliar Sun County parking lot, kawaipat hapo siliang halau may, kawaipat hamaurang keneng, seorang kam, bat Smith, nang ta sa kawaipat hapo marbisu laway, bat kabakhadu hapo laikor. Kini kidai ki wholesale bat ki retail vegetables market ki ban nakaliang jongka agriculture kala propose bat menta ke janmit nakaliang ke sarkar nila ay karai bakin yat no sakmat khnang baki aka baro kin yat be yaranti nakamenta jong kin nongrep bat kumju ru nakamenta jongi ki badon kam ya ki jhur ki jhep kat kum ke jing don kam kabaman kasngi